How to verify your identity on Coinbase. So here's how we can do it. Before you start, you want to read through this. So all ID documents must be verified through the website or mobile app. If you change your legal name, it requires uploading a valid ID with the updated information. And you can read through the rest, but here's how we can do it. So you want to access the Coinbase mobile app or the website, and afterwards we will go to the document verification page and follow the on-screen instructions. Now make sure that the information on your documents matches your current account details, and for a selfie video, make sure your microphone is turned on while recording to follow the in-app instructions. Okay, so here's the documents that we'll need, or the ones that are being accepted. So state issued ID such as a driver's license or ID card, passport, permanent residence card, which is a green card, or a foreign passport from the supported countries below. Now, those are the supported documents. Unaccepted identification documents are school IDs, medical IDs, temporary paper IDs, residence permit, public services card, and military IDs. You also need to supply proof of address here, so bank statement, credit card statement, or a utility bill. And here are the countries which foreign ID documents are accepted from. So you can do all of these countries here that you can see. And basically that's how you do it. Those are the requirements. I'll just scroll down here. And this is all there is to it. You can go through the different countries and see the requirements, and you will just follow the on-screen prompts. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.